Hello, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can install PyCharm and install Python as well with that and start your first code. So open any browser, check the video description. I will leave you link of this page of PyCharm, because normally if you go, they will give you paid version, but you don't want a paid version, you want a community version. So it's similar, you don't need to pay anything and you can use. So in community version, you can see that professional edition, no, community edition here. If you're on Windows, try to download Windows. I'm in Mac, so I hit Mac this one. Try to download the last version, you see 2024. I hit this one. Allow it to download. It's downloading here. In this case, you don't need to download separately Python. So we're gonna download Python inside PyCharm. Very easy, guys. So it's downloading 627.4 megabytes. So you have to wait. It's almost there. 3, 2, 1. So click that one to open. As I'm in Mac, so I have to drag it into the application. And we can minimize this one. Now I will search here PyCharm. Here we go, or we can go also to our launchpad. And here we go, launchpad. Click this one. We can close. This is done. It's the first load. It will take a little bit time, guys, so you have to be patient. You see, it's an app download from internet. I sure want to open it. I hit open. Yeah, I'm sure. PyCharm is here. 2024 version 1.8. Confirm the term and condition, hit continue, send, don't send any data. So here we go, we have PyCharm. Now we have many options, project, customize, plugin. We have to hit here this option, new project. And here we have to download Python. So name of the project you want to put, I put Harry01. You can download Python directly from the website via this app. So try to download the last version. At the moment 3.12.3 is available for Mac. So I select this one. Here you have two options, create GIT respiratory. Will not go for this one. We'll create this one, create a welcome script. This is important to check Python is working or not. So it's fine, all should be as this. Don't touch anything else, just hit create button. Is downloading Python. You can see installing Python 3.12.3. So this is the main chart of PyCharm, and this is the welcome code, welcome script. Here you have play button to run. Normally you don't need to do anything. Hit play button to see is working. Here you can see hi PyCharm. So this is ready to use. So how we can code our first code here? I delete all this. And in Python, anything to do, we need to put a command that is print. For example, print, print. This is the principal command in Python. Print, after that, you can put a space. You can put bracket or brace. That is, after that, you put quotation mark. Whatever right here, it will appear in your application. For example, hello. You have play button or run button, hit this one. You see here hello Python. So whatever you write, it will appear here. I write here again print space brace quotation welcome to my channel. That is, I hit play button. You see hello Python, welcome to my channel. So this is the most basic code of Python. So welcome to the world of Python. So we'll continue our videos. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.